In the heart of Philadelphia stands a factory unlike any other. One that manufactures something you touch every single day.
Every coin in your wallet survived conditions violent enough to destroy almost anything else. Heat intense enough to soften metal. Force strong enough to crush steel.
And yet these small discs remain part of daily life. Vending machines, parking meters, pocket change.
Something strange. Producing one of these costs more than the coin is actually worth.
It all begins here, inside this Philadelphia facility. With coils of raw metal stretched longer than a football field. Coil carries a different metal blend, destined to become a different coin entirely. These metal sheets are unforgiving, stiff, heavy, and resistant to bending.
Inside, a powerful press punches out blank coin shapes at incredible speed.
This machine alone produces 14,000 blank coins every single minute.
On the opposite side, leftover scrap metal piles higher by the second.
Recognize the rhythm of the machine. A distinct sound signals a fresh batch arriving. Workers clear this scrap constantly, and every piece gets melted down and reused. These blanks now hold their basic shape, but they're far from finished. Next comes the most punishing part of the entire process, the furnace.
Nearby, massive tanks hold a specially formulated liquid, ready for what comes next.
Temperatures inside this furnace climb past 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit.
Remarkably, the coins emerge completely unscathed. No burns, no scorching. The secret lies in oxygen removal. Without it, the metal simply cannot tarnish. Straight from the fire, the coins plunge into a carefully engineered liquid bath. This isn't ordinary water, grunt. It's a precise mixture built for one purpose.
Citric acid, drawn from citrus fruit extracts, forms the first key ingredient. Citric acid, drawn from citrus fruit extracts, forms the first key ingredient.
Acid strips away grime, restoring the coin's natural shine instantly.
For copper-coated coins, the acid performs a second job, removing oxidation without damaging the metal beneath.
Result: a bright, polished surface, fresh from the production line. Result: a bright, polished surface, fresh from the production line. A lubricant is also added, preventing coins from fusing together during cooling.
Once cooled, giant mechanical scoops lift thousands of coins out at once. A rotating washing drum removes any remaining residue from the surface. Specialized detergents and anti-tarnish agents restore the coin's original tone.
After drying, the coins move toward their next transformation, shaping the rim.
The next machine squeezes each coin through a slightly narrower channel. Pressure raises a small rim along the edge, far more important than it looks.
Without this rim, a coin cannot survive the next stage of production.
Counterfeit coins are increasingly seized at U.S. ports, targeting unsuspecting buyers online.
Strict size and design standards make counterfeiting nearly impossible to replicate.
Coins that pass inspection move directly toward their next stop. Some coins undergo an extra polishing process called burnishing. Small metal pellets smooth the surface, while workers hand-dry each piece with care.
Now comes the moment blank coins finally receive their identity, the quantity, the striking press. Both sides of the coin are imprinted simultaneously, under extraordinary pressure. Standard coins endure pressure between 35 and 100 metric tons.
Collector coins face even greater force, over 500 metric tons of pressure. This factory strikes over 700 coins every single minute. Thousands of coins fill massive bags, each one incredibly heavy once complete. Approved coins move to automated counters, tracking every single piece produced. Rejected metal returns to recycling, sometimes resurfacing as collector novelties. From raw metal to pocket change, every coin carries a journey most people never see.
Here in Philadelphia, these coins wait patiently for their journey into circulation.
Once minted, these coins don't go directly into anyone's pocket froms. There's an entire system still ahead. The Federal Reserve places official orders based on national demand. This facility doesn't decide how many coins to produce, but that decision comes from elsewhere. Every bag gets scanned and logged, tracked down to the exact coin count inside. Sealed bags are loaded onto armored transport vehicles under tight security.
Here in Philadelphia, staff fulfill these orders by pulling exact quantities from storage.
When local banks run low, they request more currency through this Federal Reserve network.
12 regional Federal Reserve banks monitor coin circulation across the entire country.
From here, coins get divided into smaller batches, destined for commercial banks. Every shipment is verified again. Seals checked, counts confirmed, records updated. Coins first arrive at a regional Federal Reserve bank before going any further. These trucks travel under strict protocols, escorted and monitored throughout the journey. Once delivered, coins are counted again before ever reaching a bank's cash drawer. Banks across the country place their own orders based on customer demand. So the cycle continues. Raw metal becomes currency, and currency becomes history, one coin at a time. Damaged or worn coins eventually get pulled from circulation and sent back for melting. Some coins circulate for decades before ever returning to a mint for recycling. Vending machines, parking meters, tip jars, 3 tips. This coin's journey has only just begun. From here, a coin might travel through hundreds of hands over the years. Only now do these coins finally enter everyday circulation, ready for public use.